Is your Honda key fob not working? Don't panic. The most common causes are a dead battery or a lost connection with your car. First, replace the battery. Most Honda fobs use a CR2032 battery, a small, flat, round battery that costs about $5 to $10. Pry open the fob carefully. You might need a small screwdriver. Replace the battery with the positive side facing up and snap it back together. If that doesn't work, try resyncing the fob. For older models, pre-2018, insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position without starting the engine, and repeatedly press the lock button on the fob for about 10 seconds. For newer models 28 plus, try cycling the ignition and using the key in the door lock while pressing the fob buttons. Remember to avoid any interference during this process. When battery replacement and resyncing fail, the problem might involve the car's immobilizer system or key fob receiver. The Immobilizer is an anti-theft system that verifies the key fob signal to ensure only authorized keys can start the vehicle. Resetting the Immobilizer sometimes resolves the issue and typically requires an OBD2 scanner, which you can purchase or borrow. Connect the scanner, enter diagnostic mode, and select the option to reset the Immobilizer code. If resetting doesn't work, the receiver module itself may be faulty, particularly in vehicles with high mileage. A corroded or damaged receiver can block communication between the key fob and the car. Replacing the receiver typically costs between $200 and $500, making it advisable to consult a Honda dealer for professional assistance. Remember to always double-check the battery before proceeding to more complex repairs.